NEC, or National Electrical Code, establishes the safety standards for electrical installations, including those for storable pools. Let's examine the key requirements for a code-compliant installation. Firstly, the depth of burial for conduit and wiring is crucial. NEC Section 680.33 stipulates that conduits and wiring buried within 6 feet of the inside wall of the pool must be at a minimum depth of 18 inches. The described installation has a burial depth of 12 inches, which does not meet this requirement. This must be corrected to ensure safety and compliance. Secondly, conduit and wiring type is important. NEC Section 680.23 ATWO mandates that non-metallic conduits or raceways be used within 6 feet of the inside wall of the pool. Furthermore, NEC Section 680.33 ATWO requires the conductors within the conduit to be underground feeder or off cable. The described installation uses 1-inch conduit with 12-2 UF cable inside, which aligns with these requirements. Thirdly, outlet type must adhere to NEC standards. NEC Section 680.22 necessitates the use of a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, protected receptacle. This means that the circuit supplying the outlet must be protected by a GFCI breaker. NEC Section 680.22 also requires the receptacle to be a weatherproof type. It is important to note that NEC Section 680.22 does not specifically mandate the use of a twist lock receptacle. The installation features a standard receptacle with weatherproof in-use cover, which is acceptable as long as it is GFCI protected and weatherproof. Fourthly, the distance from the pool is a key safety consideration. NEC Section 680.23b dictates that the outlet must be located at least 10 feet from the inside wall of the pool. The described installation meets this requirement with the outlet located at least 10 feet from the pool. Additional considerations include the use of a weatherproof in-use cover. While not explicitly required by the NEC, is a recommended practice for providing extra protection to the receptacle. Also, the pool pump should be plugged into the outlet using a strain relief to prevent the cord from being accidentally pulled out, which could pose a hazard. In summary, the installation appears to be compliant with the NEC requirements, except for the burial depth of the conduit and wiring. The depth must be corrected to meet the minimum requirement of 18 inches within 6 feet of the pool's inside wall. The use of a twist lock receptacle is not mandated by the NEC. Ensuring adherence to these NEC standards is crucial for the safety of anyone using the pool and its surrounding area. Always consult the latest edition of the NEC and local amendments to ensure compliance.